E.N.D here. It's time for mail. It's again time for mail. Let's see what new collectible item I have bought and added to my collection. This particular box is coming directly from the United States. Let's see what's inside this box. Always, as I said, you have to be cautious when opening these boxes. Use good knives. Beware not to damage the items inside your box, and also be aware not to hurt yourself. Let's open together this box. As you can see, it's sealed and I didn't open it. We are opening it together. As I always say, and I cannot stress, to be aware when handling knives not to damage yourself or the item. Let's open it together. Here it is. Let's remove the box. Here it is. This is one of Masters of the Universe item. When I was young, I used to play with these toys. Nowadays they cost a lot to buy them new. This is my latest acquisition. Let's try to open it carefully. It is well packed. It is very well packed, considering how much expensive these items, these collectible items, mint in box, never opened are. You have to be very careful in packaging and also using knives. Let's see if we can manage to see what's inside. Let me try again. Alright. This is, as you can see, a battle cat. Battle cat is the warrior cat of E.N.D. E.N.D is the hero of Masters of the Universe. This particular line of toys was an extremely successful line of toys in the 80s. As you can see, it's quite well packed. I'm having little difficulties to open it. Let's see. Finally, I think I can manage to see the item. Here it is. Here it is. What a beautiful piece of item it is. This is a battle cat. As you can see, this is new in box. The box has a little bit of damage, but this is what I already knew. It is very difficult to find these type of toys nowadays in perfect condition. This is new, never opened. You can see it's never opened. Battle cat, what a beautiful item. I hope you enjoyed this mailbox opening. Stay tuned to my channel. Here's the subscription button. Subscribe for my channel for more interesting videos about collectible items, Masters of the Universe, and Magic the Gathering.